Vacation is calling, but before you hit the open road, does your RV need any servicing or repairs? Well, swing by KA RV Repair in DeBary, Florida for a tune-up. Your recreational vehicle has a lot of working parts, so it's always a safe move to bring it in for an inspection and repairs before driving long distances. Get a 45-point inspection to make sure every piece of your RV is functioning properly. From appliances to the generator, it's all covered in this inspection. We also specialize in Airstream restoration and repairs. If you've got a sleek Airstream trailer, we've got the experts to tune it up and completely renovate it to fit your taste. Plus, we work on horse and cargo trailers to keep you rolling. Stop in for an inspection or schedule a trailer tune-up with KARV and keep working without worrying about your cargo. Collision problems? Don't worry about it. Dings, dents, damaged RVs, and other trailers can be fixed by our experts so you get back on the road quickly. Every piece will be inspected and fixed so your vehicle is drivable again. Get continued or extended warranty coverage on any new or used RV through KARV. If any major part of your RV needs replacing, make sure it's covered under the vehicle's warranty and sign up for our extra coverage. Visit KARV Repair in DeBary, Florida today for regular RV and trailer maintenance and repairs. Get a free estimate from our website today as well. We look forward to seeing you and have a great day.